Hello great people, it has been a minute since I posted. I was having some challenges, but I think I'm done with them, so I'll be dropping the video as usual. Now today I'm going to show you around our compound, I mean compound tour, and also I'll be showing you the tours. I'm taking you through my tiny house. It will be part 2 of my tiny house tour. There's some upgrade that I've done. Then again, I'll be taking you through my father's house tour alongside his kitchen. So stay tuned. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. This is just a village boy who is trying to make the end meet. And if you are willing to support this channel, you can go into my bio. There is a number. You can chat with me through WhatsApp, or you can even send me something to upgrade our home. I will appreciate a lot. Now let's go into our video. Now in front of you is my tiny house. My tiny house. It is having the two door. The other door, this one, that is having no curtain, just our store, and this one is our main living room and our bedroom. We will just go there. And again, this is my father's or my parents' house. It is almost 1.5 years since they built this house. When you watch it closely, you will find that it is undone. It is undone. So this is the corridor. This is the corridor. This is one of the room. This house, it is having how many rooms? Let me count. I don't have them in my head. Let me count. One, the kitchen, the bedroom for our female sibling, and this one, that one, the bedroom, the sitting room. Generally, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and the store. Now, this is where the storing tank. This is where we harvest the rainwater from this point. Now we use this tank to store the rainwater, and by good luck we have electricity in our area. This is now the room that we are having our chicken. This is where our chicken is, as you can see. This is where the chicken and the bed. Definitely this room was supposed to be for the visitors, but at now it's just being used as the store. Yes, and also the room, the house is incomplete, you can see. Okay, we also have another room here. It is also for the key chickens. You can see them. You can see a lot of chicken. This is where they stay, and you saw some bed. Oh, the kitchen have destroyed it, but don't worry, the room is just used as the store and for keeping some chickens. Okay. And fortunately, I did not go and show you the living room and the other rooms because the house was closed. And now we have also this, the back door of our house. It is also locked. That is our outside bathroom. And this is the back of the house. The back of the house. We used the old iron sheet from the other house. That house was around here. You can see the slab. And in the near future, we will just replace them. When you support this channel by subscribing and liking, eventually we will replace them. Now this is the outside kitchen. Our outside kitchen. Currently, we are cooking. The food is already. Wow. This one is kideri. Don't know how you call them in your language. Now this is where we preserve our firewood. From this fire round, they just dry themselves. Here is another place for cooking, some sufurias. Now basically this is our kitchen. You can see the iron sheet. That's why I'm saying that if you can help in any way, you can support. The number is just there. You can support. It is having all iron sheet. Look. So this video basically is for seeking support, any financial support in terms of even just advice or encouragement. You will just appreciate immediately from that, from the kitchen. Let me close it. Then close it. We have our kitchen garden right here. It's having some arrowroots. You can see rosemary, some rosemary here and there, some sukuma wiki, and look, we also have some pawpaw. So we feed direct from this kitchen. Look, the sukuma wiki. I don't know this type of vegetable, but the sukuma wiki are doing so well. So we have surrounded this with the net so that we can prevent the chicken from coming and destroying the vegetables. Have here some chicken with the young ones, the birds, small birds. Now this is the side of the kitchen garden. So as I told you, we have the pawpaw, and we are lucky. Our compound is full of fruits. Now these are the avocado. They are ready. Avocado. They are here. There are too many. I'll come and pluck them. And that's our outside toilet. Now let me take you through our compound. This is our compound. My house. This is my compound. Let me show you the front of our house. Having some beautiful flowers around. Look, this is my Benz, my bike. Now, we are having some mulberries here. Some mulberries. Children were coming and taking mulberries. Look. Let me eat a little bit. Wow. It is so tasty. It is so tasty. It is here. And immediately after our compound, we have some bananas. Now let us go into my house tour. My main house tour. We are just going in directly. So, as I told you earlier, it is having some two doors. This one is just for the store. This one is the main house. Let's start with the store. Now we are in. So this is where we store our utensils. Here in this box you should store some necessities for cooking. That is the cooking oil. This is the salt. This is the baking powder, the tea leaves, and some avocado here, and some tomato. Also having some onion here, and again also have our jiko here, and our unga here. Yes. And again, this room is sometimes used as for the visitors. See the bed for the visitors. When we are having the visitors, they come and sleep here. This is where we store our water. Container for our water. The bed for the visitors. Basically, this is we usually cook from that jiko, from there. Yes. Now we are going into my living room and at the same time my bedroom. Hope you will like. Now at the door we have the curtains. Tarantara, and you get this nice chair here. My wife has left here the shoes, but we will just put them on the shoe rack. Now I chose this type of, I am a lover of grey, so I choose this material, and you can see even my curtain, though it is not that grey, but it is at least blending, and I wanted the grey at least to blend with my wall. You can see the curtains blending with my wall. And also I have this 3-seater and 1-seater. I bought it as a set. Another chair is in our big house, the one that I have shown you, and kamini table here. Our room is just, and what I love most in this room is my TV. It is functional, guys. It is functional. You can see we have the power here. The lights are on. Let me try to put, now this one is the TV guard. I was advised that whenever you are having the electronics, you should have to avoid some costs that come when let me put it on, at least to see it is functional. It is there. Here we come. It is functional. I switch off because of copyright. I also have this gas that assists us in cooking. Now it is here, and this stand where we place some utensils, and we store some things here. Some things here. And this is my system, my radio system. It is here. This is my radio system. It surely be there, and the speakers are in the chair. Now basically this is my living room. Those who watch the other video, they can see it. I'm planning to upgrade. I'm planning to put here the carpet, to put the wallpapers on this wall, and to change this light to be something attractive. I want to live my town or my urban life in the village, but slowly. So as I told you earlier, this video is just calling upon for your support. The number is in my bio. You can support me in any way. Yes, here we have the shoe rack. It is not well arranged, but this is my shoe rack with my pair of the shoes. Around this area, this is where I put my jackets and the old and the other dirty clothes are being placed here. Hey, Let me put, this is where we store our clothes. This suitcase, this it is carrying my clothes and my wife and my son's wife clothes. And also again, this area we put the extra clothes. Now this is our wonderful bed. It is here. It is having some blanket and other material. It is a 4x6 bed. Yes, give you the 360 of our tiny house tour. Basically, it is as brief as that. Basically, that is our main house tour. Yes. See you. Kindly subscribe to support. The boys are eating some marberries. Bye bye.